Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. And let's start with the first one, and it will be how to locate your phone when you lost it somewhere in the room, and it happens to everybody. You can ask your Google Assistant to play any song or with a phrase, "Where are you?" Also, before that, make sure that you have your Google Assistant set for the lock screen, and one last thing is to have some volume up on your phone, otherwise it won't work. Now when it's ready, let's try it. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
And your phone will make a sound that will be easy to find it. Next one is to translate, so that you can translate basically any language, and also your phone will speak it out loudly. Let's try it. Hey Google, translate to Polish, "I ate spaghetti."
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem spaghetti.
Next is to count calories, so you can count calories in basically any food, and you can ask a Google Assistant for that specific calories count in that food. Hey Google, how many calories in spaghetti?
There are 158 calories in 100 grams of spaghetti.
Next one is to send a message, and you can also ask Google what should be included in that message, and then tell the specific contact from your contacts list to send that message to. Hey Google, send message to my mom, "I ate spaghetti."
All right. What's your mother's name?
Simply replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list, and the next one is kind of similar to the message, so that you can call anybody from your contacts list. Hey Google, call my mom.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.